there, neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. Recently, we talked about the financial benefits of downsizing your home. It seems like a natural progression to now talk about the benefits of living in a retirement community. The most obvious, lower maintenance. Smaller house, smaller yard, less to maintain, less yard work, less work around the house cleaning it, less repairs, roof maintenance, AC maintenance, all that, which leads us to lower costs. Retirement communities are typically less expensive than single families around the area. A big part of that is they can be smaller, they're condensed with lower yards, closer together. Also, they have less turnover. A lot of people don't move. You hit that age of 65, you're retired, and you stay there for the rest of your life. Safety and security, big concern as you get older. Most retirement communities have security. They have security alerts in their apartments, condos, or homes in case there's a medical emergency. Many also have security guards that roam the property, neighborhood watch programs. Often they are gated with security up front. Lower costs, we already said lower maintenance, smaller mortgage, smaller house. A lot of other costs are included in the HOA fee, including maintenance of the property. You get gym memberships, community memberships, social activities, and classes, all included in that one HOA price. You can move to a more luxurious neighborhood. Maybe you previously couldn't afford a pool, jacuzzi, now you have that. Fire pits, different get-togethers, tennis courts, pickleball courts, again, gyms and communities, concerts, so many different activities to encourage social activity among residents. Also to encourage a healthy lifestyle. They oftentimes have walking paths, get-togethers in groups that go on walks, walk their dogs, and do all kinds of social activities together. Again, just so many benefits to living in a retirement community as you age. Something to consider if you're interested in learning more about some of the most popular retirement communities throughout the Phoenix Valleys. Please call, text, email, or direct message me. I am always here to help with your home buying and selling needs. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process. And remember,